Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching and recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 4 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Alice. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Anne. Haven't seen you in a while. Nice to see you here live. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we will focus on the third chakra, called Manipura in Sanskrit. It is located at the level of solar plexus and represents our willpower. In the endocrine system, it corresponds to pancreas. The color of this chakra is yellow. It represents the sun in our personal universe, the universe of our body. Since this energy center is located right in the center of abdomen, physical symptoms of unbalance in this chakra will manifest as problems in the digestive system, indigestion, stomach upset, ulcers, etc. You might have problems with overeating if your solar plexus chakra is imbalanced or actually not eating enough, maybe unbalanced body temperature, too cold, too hot, lethargy, weight gain or weight loss, etc. Emotional symptoms of unbalanced solar plexus chakra include an inability to fulfill goals and intentions, lack of boundaries, a need to constantly please others, low self-esteem. You might feel even like you lack a sense of direction for your life if your solar plexus chakra is unbalanced. Or you might be someone who has a lot of ideas but don't have the momentum or drive to act on them and realize your full potential. A balanced solar plexus chakra means that you take on challenges and rise to the occasion, even if you don't necessarily know how to do it. You feel empowered. So let's begin our meditative visualization for the solar plexus chakra. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Scanning your body, notice how you're feeling today, physically, emotionally, mentally. Bring a gentle awareness to your breath, and without trying to control it, to change anything about it, simply notice the rise and fall of the chest, of your belly, the natural rhythm of your breathing. Root down through your sits bones if you're sitting on the floor, or your feet if you're in a chair, or the whole back of your body if you're lying down. If you want to use a mudra, a hand gesture during this practice today, you can bring your thumb and middle and ring fingers together in a gesture that's called Apana Mudra. So your thumb, middle, and ring fingers together, if you want to. Now bring a gentle attention to your solar plexus area and see if you can visualize a tiny pin of yellow color in your solar plexus. On your next breath, make the pin grow to the size of a marble, yellow color. And little by little, with the next few breaths, let this yellow energy expand and swirl around your whole body. Let the light of sunshine of your solar plexus chakra bathe you. As you continue with this visual, tune into my words as I recite some common solar plexus chakra affirmations for you. As usual, you can choose to repeat all or just some of them that resonate best with you. You can do it silently, whispering, or out loud. I have great personal power. I am motivated to fulfill my goals and intentions. I follow my destiny. I am successful in all my endeavors. I know my direction in life and remain focused on it. I act on my ideas and make them reality. I see the results of my efforts. I follow through with what I say I will do. I take decisive action to craft the life of my dreams. I respect and love my whole being. I stand up for what I believe. I confidently express myself. I own my power. I deserve joy and happiness. I am confident and secure. I forgive myself and others. I am open to new ways of doing things. I am able to honor myself, be who I am in the world, and express that power without fear or shame. I am able to honor myself, be who I am in the world, and express that power without fear or shame. The yellow light still surrounds you. Allow your body to absorb this light. Get infused with this decisive energy of your solar plexus chakra. You are powerful. You succeed in all your ventures. You choose to confidently express yourself. You have the right to act with conviction. You have the right to stand for what you believe, unapologetically, without fear, guilt, or shame. You choose to be confident and secure in everything you do. You are powerful beyond measure. Bring your awareness back to your breath, feeling the rhythm of your natural breathing, the rise and fall of it. And now we're going to repeat the solar plexus bija sound, Ram, R-A-M. We're going to do it 7 times. Ram, 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 Ram. As you go through your day today, tap into your personal power that's always there. Perhaps repeat this visualization, this bija sound, vibration a few times during your day and see if it changes anything about the way you approach things. Enjoy. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.